That's what we're working with in Zurich, Switzerland.
Just like on YouTube, to give brain some new food. Because we channel that if you watch, if you subscribe, we're gonna like that.
Gosh, how lucky.
Hello, people, and welcome back. I know it's been about a week.
Yeah, I think it's been more than a week.
Yeah, but today we decided we must have to do a vlog because, as you can see,
it's 91 degrees with a high of 97, so there's more sun and warmth to come.
Furnace, but we're not complaining.
Yeah.
The thing is, we were gonna do the vlog tomorrow because we've got a meeting tomorrow. We was gonna go out, but then because of the way the weather has been, up, down, when we see 91 today, we just thought, you know what, we're gonna seize this moment. We don't
know when another day is gonna go when it's 97.
Because recently it's been like hot and then the next day it's like raining. For a minute we thought we were back in England. Yeah. But before we even go on with this vlog, we want to give a shout out to Universal Me.
Yeah, she received the merch.
Right.
Thank you.
Even though it was beyond our control that the merch took so long to get to you, but we're happy that you finally got it.
Well, we're gonna go and do a little bit of shopping, get some food in the fridge, get some drinks in.
We're gonna do maybe brunch shopping.
Yeah.
You know, so whatever is it she picks up, that's on her. You know, I'm the guy with the wallet, and she's the person that
she just follows me around the store.
But I have actually a need. Hold the camera for a minute. I have actually a need. So, which one? Look at this. You know, this is my summer slipper stroke. You know, and as you can see, it's not looking too good. So
we need new ones.
I want to replace this today. Usually one of those slippers would last me about a year or two. Maybe
more than that, but I think lately, if you agree with me guys, lately the quality of things, even leather, that's real leather.
Yeah, everything.
And even the quality of things has just gone down. I remember back in the day when we were kids, like a pair of jeans or shoes would last us 5 years.
That's true. You know? That's true. Yeah. I wrote something a couple years ago called "Quality Gone," but that's when you know you're getting old. Exactly. You know, because the kids today, they just see the material and quality for what it is.
Yeah.
So, I don't know. In my view, it's a yellowish dress, mustard dress, with a straw bag
over the shoulder. He's got the beast grey t-shirts on, the khaki shorts, and the shoes, summer shoes.
The thing I like about these shoes is that they can go in the washing machine.
Right.
You know?
From behind now, yes, let's see you from behind. Okay. Still the beast. No? So, looking good. Yeah, matching.
It'd be nice if we had the beast written on the back.
I know.
Check out the ducks.
Oh, look at them, what they doing?
They're chilling, so let's not scare them.
They're in the shade.
Yeah,
can't take the heat.
Oh, they're very timid. So let's.
Ooh.
Almost fell. We are now in our automobile. About to get ready to go.
Yes.
On the road.
Little escapade.
But you know, we gotta put the
sunnies on.
Right, but we also have to put this
evidence.
On. Hold on, let me put. Speaking of that, would you guys believe that we got another speeding ticket? Yeah. My
Switzerland, we love you, but
yeah, we got another speeding ticket. Yeah. But this one we were speeding.
Yeah,
we were speeding.
We were.
And you know what? The crazy thing about it is we got the ticket in an area where we don't normally drive.
No.
You know?
And you know what the also funny thing was is that I said, oh, they got a camera there.
She saw the camera. We didn't know that we were speeding until the camera went off. This garage is a little dark, so I can't put
my bag. This is my barley bag, and You know, I had this situation when in Bali that is hard to open. That's a good thing. See? Yeah, there we go. Yes.
So people, here's what happened. For all y'all who doesn't know, when you move to Switzerland and you're driving on foreign license,
yes,
you have to change your foreign license within a certain time.
Yeah.
However, if you've got an EU license, you don't have to drive.
No.
They just switch your license from one country to the next.
Right.
And you will have a Swiss license.
Exactly.
So Wife for Life had a British license.
Yeah.
I had 2 licenses in my lifetime. I had an American license and I had a Jamaican driver's license. Either of those licenses would not help me in Switzerland to get my Swiss license without me having to drive.
Right.
Right? Because United States of America or Jamaica is not a part of the European Union. So, you know, even though I've been driving for 27 years, I've been driving for 27 years,
Yeah.
I said to Wife for Life, let me go prep up myself for this practical test. I have a feeling that they're going to test me on this road.
Right.
You know, so the road that we actually got flashed on, we deliberately went down that road in practice of the driving test and got flashed. Believe that. The thing is, we were distracted. We were going 30 kilometers an hour as required.
Right.
But then the dash cam went off.
Yes.
And it drew our attention to the dash cam.
Yeah.
And
so kind of like that. Okay. Our concentration wasn't on the speed
anymore. We were all looking what happened to the dash cam. And in the middle of that, I just heard when Wife for Life says,
ooh, there's a camera.
Boom. And just like that, we got another ticket. So we're expecting a bill in the mail.
Right.
I was really gutted by it, but at the same time, I got a lesson from it because I found it a bit funny, because what was funny was we were going down that road in preparation
for this test.
And I would have failed.
We're not sure. Well, we know how fast we were going. The bill might not be the same as last time. If you remember last time, it was like 120, wasn't it?
Right, yeah.
So might be a little less. Well, we're hoping it'll be a little less.
We're hoping it will be less because the minute we realized the camera flashed, I kind of hit the brake. Right. You know, and
they take off.
They take off points based on did you slow down or did you continue to speed up.
But yeah, it was our fault.
But like I say, there's a plus side in getting that ticket. Yeah. I'm very, very mindful of the 30 zones. Yeah. You know, the 30 zones, you know, for all you guys in America and that side of the world, 30 kilometers and 30 miles per hour is 2 different things. Exactly. You know, 30 kilometers is like walking pace. Walking by the car. You know, it's like you could walk.
It's like a funeral entourage.
Yeah, so definitely we learned our lesson. Yeah. I will take the risk and says there won't be another ticket. Nope. There won't be
nope, sorry. So we're here at the supermarket. Not sure what we're going to buy. Just going to go in and see. I usually make a list when we go shopping, but because we're doing it as a brunch thing, or you know, spur of the moment, what we're going to eat thing. I'm thinking, so just going to have a look.
I'm thinking something cold, you know.
Yeah, salad maybe. Get a nice little bottle of bubbly.
Yes,
you know.
Definitely.
Yes.
We bought some wines the other day, and we really like this one called Dimension.
Yeah. Where was that again?
We got that from Landy.
Oh, we're gonna go back there.
So we have to go back to Landy and pick up a couple bottles of Dimension, because usually the minute we find anything that we really like,
and then when we go back,
it's disconnected. Yes. So
here we go. So, as the beast, he's going to carry the shopping, heavy shopping. So that's our little shopping that you're seeing there on the conveyor belt, and that's what we're going to have today for lunch. Sit on the balcony, have our beers maybe. We're going to go and see this wine, and then, yeah.
Gonna put it in the car because if it's in the boot, it's probably too hot.
Yes, exactly.
Okay, we're going on to shop number 2.
Yes.
But can you reach back and grab what we just bought to drink?
Oh.
You know? Okay, get out your belt. Yeah.
Oh. When we say it's hot, it is just
seriously hot. Yes. So we've bought some flying power.
I found one.
Alright. Okay, we'll share one.
Okay.
Yeah, we bought 2, but here we go. So
I wonder who copied who, Red Bull or Flying Power, because they say Red Bull gives you wings. And there's Flying Power.
That flying power is good. Put some AC on because we bought cornetos, ice cream cones, and I'm sure if we put those in the boots,
that's it.
That's it. It's gonna be melted.
It's gonna be wafer.
So, got 2 more stores to go to. We're gonna go pick up these Dimension white wine, which we're now in love with.
Yes.
And then we're gonna go on and see if we could get my slippers. So, let's go on the road, people. Yay. By the way, we were at Aldi Swiss.
Yes.
So, this is what our neighborhood, well, this is a few minutes out of our neighborhood.
Yeah.
Yeah. So, we are now at shop number 2. It's kind of like farmer's market because you got maybe farmer's market is not so fitting. All right, let's go inside.
And there we have it.
There we go.
We've got lots and lots and lots.
That was actually good. We bought 3 bottles and it was less than 20 francs.
Cool.
Yeah. It's usually a bottle of wine costs about 20 francs.
Yes.
You know? Exactly. And if you guys follow us on Instagram, you know that we love our wines.
Yeah, so we always take a picture of what we buy and what we're about to drink.
Right. We try not to repeat it, but if it's really good,
yes,
then we repeat it. Third and final stop.
Got a few things to do in this mall.
Yes.
Mini mall.
Want to stop and get an envelope for one of my subscribers on my solo channel. Wife for Life did a drawing of him, and we need to send the original. He already got the
copy.
Yeah, the digital copy. Yes. You know, but I think he would appreciate the original more. So I'm not sure if he's subscribed to our channel. No. But if you are and you're listening, today is the day. We're gonna pick up that envelope for you. I know it's been long overdue. And let's hope that when we get back out of this place, I've got a brand new pair of slippers.
Yeah. There's a few shops in here, so I'm sure you will.
Let's hope we only get out with slippers, people. Because you see who I'm with today. Well, I'm with you all the time.
Exactly.
I get scared when it comes to going into shopping malls with my wallet gets scared. That's good?
That's what we need.
Yeah. Came across these. These wasn't in the plan, but they're Swiss representative. You know, don't mind the hashy feet. You know.
You're hiding the toes, look.
Yeah, but yeah, these weren't in the plan, but they're very cheap, so I'm gonna take them. They're only 10 francs. Yep. Okay. Contemplating whether or not I should get these bad boys here. They look nice. What's your vote? So, we haven't even reached our shoe shop yet, and already
already made purchases and realized none of them is for me.
We're warming up to our purchases. So we've bought some sunglasses, which I'm really feeling, and some Swiss slippers. So, okay, let's get on to the shop that we really want to go to.
So, the beast has found a pair.
Found a pair of shoes. It's kind of like my exact fit.
Oh.
It's kind of soft. Not sure it would last as long as the one that
Yeah.
I'm about to dispose of.
Want
But
to try 44 maybe, if they have it?
it's okay.
Yeah?
Yeah, it's fine.
Okay.
So I'm gonna work with that one.
The beast is happy.
Yeah, or this one.
Oh yeah, that's nice. So I actually, as we were coming to this store, I actually seen some trousers that I actually like. So maybe with all these purchases that hubby's made, he'll let me have a little, you know, pair of trousers or something. Hubby? Yes, hubby, say yes. So let's see what he's going on with.
It's like one feels a bit more sturdier than the other.
Which one?
This one feels a bit more solid.
I quite like those.
Yeah.
Yeah, those look
And
good.
this feels a bit soft and gentle.
Yeah,
So
I think we'll go with those.
these.
Yes.
Okay. As you can tell, people, we ended up in a woman's shop buying more stuff. Shopping done, people, and we're about to go home. Oh, thank God for that, because this one over here is a shopaholic. But that is established. I'm sure our subscribers who know us very well know that reputation of you. You know, she loves to shop. Yes. Homebound.
So,
People.
Beauty and the Beast
Yes.
is back home.
That's really
Yes,
good.
you know.
See, all these years together, she's got some of my brain cells transferring to her, you know. Beauty and the Beast. I like it. I like it. People, it's seriously hot.
Oh, you see you're sweating?
We are not to get close.
Oh my gosh, look at that.
Yeah, so let's unpack.
Yeah. Well,
This is the haul for today.
yeah.
Went for one pair of slippers, ended up with two. Got envelope for my man, got some beers I'm gonna put in the fridge.
Oh yes.
Wife for life, end up with some trousers. I ended up with
Some sunglasses.
and this is gonna be today's brunch, lunch,
Yeah.
stroke dinner.
So you can see what's going on here. We got some salad dressing, some salad, lettuce, cucumber there. You already have tomatoes in the fridge, some sausages, chicken. I'm just gonna grill the chicken. Some ham,
Yes.
ice creams.
Ice creams, yes.
Yeah.
And right now we need to go in front of the fan. So yesterday I cleaned this fan, people. It's been dormant for about a year and a half. So we
Now,
about to,
we have to
yeah.
in front of it and get the sweat off our face.
That's the good life.
Oh yes.
Yes.
Come air, cold air.
Nice.
So full.
Nice.
I'm gonna be here for a minute.
Hold on. Hold this. I should be sporting my new glasses while this is going on.
Yes. So I was the one who spotted them, you know. So yeah, give it up for the wife, fashionista. Always giving him, you know, little tips on how to dress,
Yeah,
how to style it up.
Me tips. You know.
Yeah.
So
There you
my
go.
new glasses. Yeah.
Very nice, very
Feeling
nice.
those.
So I can see you wearing them in your nice suit.
Yeah.
Yes, man. Take me out to lunch.
Yeah, I like them. They're a bit flashy, but you know, I like them. I'm not usually into flashy things, you know. No, I don't like a lot of bling. I don't like a lot of attention drawing type gear, you know.
People look at you anyway.
No. What I'm
Regardless what
saying,
you
I
wear.
like to be fly,
Yeah.
but I don't I don't like to be fly in the way as if I'm trying too hard.
Right.
You know, so I'm not really into anything that's too loud.
Yeah.
I love my suits.
Yeah.
You know, I love my loafers. I love my, you know, I'm already fly, so it's like
There you go.
to add anything else to it would be like, it's got insecurity issues. Yeah. Okay, so this is what Wife for Life I've done with the sausage and the chicken. It is looking good. What did you do? Just oven bake?
Oven bake it.
With some
seasoning.
Some seasoning.
Yeah.
You won't say what the secret recipe
No,
is.
secret's a best recipe.
Exactly. Alright, let me move on to the salad. Plates are empty. And this is the salad. We're gonna be brunching on the balcony, of course, without a doubt. And indulge as much as we can in this eat as possible. Let me go get the wine and set up so we can start chowing.
Done.
Yeah, as you can see, I'm sporting my newbies, but I need to open a wine.
So I'll set the salad while you're doing that.
Okay, do that.
Try and keep these flies off our chicken.
Alright.
With sausage. I just checked the weather again, by the way, and it's 98 degrees. Oh. But I love it. Yes. I'm not complaining.
I'm not complaining at all.
No.
Yep.
That's it. It's coming out. Wow.
Perfecto! Yeah!
So, I'm going to enjoy our bottle. I had it in the freezer so it could cool a little bit longer.
Yes.
Or faster, I should say.
Really thirsty people.
Yeah.
Looking good.
Don't gulp it or you'll get drunk quick.
Yes. I got it, baby. We bought 3 bottles. Did you put another one in the freezer?
No.
Well, let's hope it's cold enough.
Yeah.
Let's see, hold on, let me top you up a bit.
Yeah. A little bit more. No, that's perfect. You're looking at it from a different angle.
Yes. Alright, people.
So,
We're about to chow down.
yeah.
So,
Hope you enjoy your day, whatever you're doing.
right. And cheers to you.
Cheers to you.
And cheers to us.
Cheers.
Cheers for 98 degrees.
Yeah.
Beauty and the Beast in Zurich, Switzerland.
So,
If this wine is in your area, buy. Check it out. Maybe it's your thing, maybe it's not, but we really like it. That's a wrap.
Yeah.
We're gonna eat now. We're gonna get
Hungry?
this vlog off to you guys.
So,
Like we always say,
ciao for now.
ciao for now. Just like on YouTube, to give your brain some new food. We are here in Antina.